In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an alternate email address for a user in the Google Admin Console. If you manage users in Google Workspace, adding an alternate email address, also known as an email alias, is a simple way to help incoming messages reach the right person without creating a separate inbox. An alias acts like an additional email address for the same user, so mail sent to that alternate address is automatically delivered to their existing account. This can be useful for team naming consistency, role-based addresses, or updated contact formats. To get started, sign in to the Google Admin Console using an administrator account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Directory and then select Users. This area contains the list of user accounts in your organization, and it's where you can manage account-level settings for individual people. Next, find the user who needs the alternate email address and click on their name. This opens that user's profile where you can review and update their account details. Make sure you've selected the correct user before moving forward, especially if several users have similar names or roles. After that, look for the User Information section panel card and expand it to view more options. This section includes details related to the user's profile and account identity. Expanding the panel gives you access to the fields you need for adding an alias. Now click on alternate email addresses, which may also be labeled as email alias, depending on the interface version you're seeing. In the input field, enter the username for the alternate address you want to assign. Be careful to enter it exactly as intended, since this will become the new incoming mail shortcut destination for that user. It's a good idea to double-check spelling and formatting before saving, especially if your organization follows a specific naming standard. Once the username has been entered, click Save to finalize the change. After saving, the alternate email address will be associated with that user account, and incoming messages sent to that alias will be routed to their primary inbox. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly create an additional email destination for a user without setting up a new account. If you're making changes for multiple users, it can also help to keep your naming conventions consistent so aliases stay easy to manage over time.